Hello friends, welcome back to Relief Tutorials. We were doing exercise 3.2. Let us continue with question number 2. Page number 55 from your textbook. Is the question, just the question is find the number of digits in the cube root of following numbers. Just you have to find out the number of digits in the cube root. You don't have to find the whole cube root. Easy process. The first one is A is 91125. So you just make the groups of 3 numbers from the right side. So it is group number 1 and one more group is here. You can have 0 here, means 2. 2 groups are there. So its cube root will contain 2 digits. That's all. B, long number 210644875. Group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. So its cube root will have 3 digits. C, again a long number 570662625. Group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. So 3 groups means how many digits will be there in the cube root? 3 digits. This way. D, 1331, group number 1 and group number 2. So 2 digits will be there. E, 343, only one group is here, so its cube root will have 1 digit. We know that cube root of 343 is 7, 1 digit only. F is having 247673152. So group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. So its cube root will have 3 digits. Simple. Now question number 3. Using method of estimation, find the cube roots. Slowly. A, 175616. So first of all you divide the number into groups, first group and second group, so that is confirmed that cube root of this number will have 2 digits. Unit digit can be decided easily. Here the unit place is 6 in the group number 1. Group number 1 decide the ones place, means unit place. Here is 6. So unit digit of group 1 is 6. So unit digit of cube root of a number is 6. That is decided. Now what about this 175? We have to find out that 175 lies between which two numbers of perfect cube. For that you should have knowledge of cubes of 1 to 10 at least. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. Okay, so look at this number 175 lies between the cube of 5 and cube of 6. So 175 is bigger than 5 cube but smaller than 6 cube. Therefore, tens digit of cube root of a number is 5. We have to take the smaller number, not bigger one. So finally, therefore, we can write cube root of 175616 is equals to 56. Unit place is 6 and tens place is 5. These are the steps you have to write. Let us do the next one. As we do more problems, you will get the grip. B is 110592. So 1 and the 2 means 2 groups are here. Unit place is 2 here. So its cube root will have unit place 8. So unit place of group 1 is 2. So unit place of a cube root of a number is 8. One thing is decided. Unit place is decided. Now what about the tens place? This is 110. 110 number lies between which two numbers? 4 cube is 64 and 5 cube is 125. So 110 is bigger than 4 cube but smaller than 5 cube. Therefore, tens digit of cube root of a number is 4. Smaller number we have to consider. So tens place is 4, unit place is 8. So therefore, cube root of 110592 is 48. Got it? C 636056. How many groups you can find? 2 groups. 2 groups means cube root of this number will have 2 digits, unit digit and tens digit. Unit digit can be decided from this one. Unit digit of group 1. Unit digit of group 1 is 6. So, unit digit of its cube root is 6. Tens digit can be decided by this is not directly to be written. To decide 10 digit, look at this 636. This 636. 636. So I think 6 cube is 216. Already we have seen. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512. Yes. And 9 cube is 729. So I think this 636 lies between these two. Means it is bigger than 8 cube but smaller than 9 cube. So what we can write here? The second step, ignoring this, that our 636 is bigger than 8 cube but smaller than 9 cube. So therefore the tens digit must be 8. So tens digit of cube root of a number is 8. So finally cube root of 636056 is 86. This way. Now D. The number is 250047. 250047, group number 1 and group number 2. Group number 1 having the unit place 7, so its pair is 3 if you remember. So unit digit of group 1 is 7. So unit digit of cube root of a number is 3. Okay. Now 250. I think 250 lies between these two. 216 is a cube of 6 and 343 is a cube of 7. So I think this 250 is bigger than 6 cube and smaller than 7 cube. So therefore tens digit, smaller number is 6 here. So tens digit of cube root of a number is 6. So finally cube root of 250047 is tens place is 6, unit place is 3, so 63. Now E, the number is 74088. Two groups, group number 1 and group number 2. Unit digit of group 1 is 8. Therefore unit digit of cube root of a number is 2. 8, 2. A pair of 2 and 8. Now this number 74. 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64 and 5 cube is 125. So this 74 bigger than 4 cube which is 64 but smaller than 5 cube which is 125. So the 10th place would be 4. So what we can write? The 10th place or 10th digit of cube root of a number is 4. Therefore cube root of 74088 is 42. I think now you are getting the grip on this method. Still let us solve. F. The number is 3723875. Group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. So because we are having 3 groups here, the group number 3 you can say 2 zeros here. Doesn't matter. So 3 groups are formed. So this cube root of this number will have 3 digits. Unit place can be decided by the group number 1. So we can say here unit digit of group 1 is 5. So unit digit of cube root of a number is also 5. And now unit place is decided. Now still we have two groups left, 723 and third one is only 3. But you take the whole number 3723 under consideration. Okay, we know that the cube root of this number will have 2 digits. That is okay, because one digit already decided as 5. Now 3723 lies between which two? We know that 13 cube is 2197, 14 cube is 2744, 15 cube is, if you remember, it is 3375, and 16 cube is 4096. So this number 3723, except the first group. First group is already done. The duty of first group is what? To give you the hint about the unit place, and that it has performed. Now you consider the all the groups as a single number, and that is 2723, which lies between these two. So this 2723 is bigger than 15 cube, but smaller than 16 cube. Therefore, tens and hundreds digits are 1, 5 for the cube root. 5 is already at the unit place, and now this number is between 15 cube and 16 cube. So remaining 2 digits, because we have 3 groups here, so 3 digits must be there in the cube root of the whole number. The unit place is already 5 and the remaining 2 numbers are 1, 5. So finally cube root of 3723,875 is 155. This 5 is this one and 15 is here. So cube root of this number is 155. So remember, when you have 3 groups, you use the first group as it is, and now don't use these groups separately. Don't use these groups separately. Consider this as a whole number, and then you decide that this number lies between which two cubes. Consider the smaller number, and that will be the answer. Same type of sum is G. The number is 1953,125. So group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. So 3 groups means the cube root of this number will have 3 digits. Unit digit of group 1 is 5. Therefore cube root, unit digit of cube root of a number also contain unit digit as 5. I am not writing the whole statement now because we already written many times. And now the remaining number you consider as a whole. So that number is 1953. So now this 1953. 13 cube is 2197, which is bigger than this. 12 cube is 1728. So 12 cube is 1728. So I think this number lies between 12 cube and 13 cube. So this number is bigger than 12 cube but smaller than 13 cube. So remaining number is 12. So finally cube root of 1953,125 is unit place is 5 and the remaining number is 1, 2. So it is 125. H and I are very easy. So these you can do by yourself. That's all for this session. Practice this. If you have any doubt, you are free to ask me. Best of luck.